Introducing the HEMS PCRB-4000. This lightweight cylinder repair kit is an affordable alternative to disassembly benches available on the market. One distinguishing factor of this product is its portability. You'll have the ability to disassemble and reassemble the bench, making it an incredibly versatile and practical machine. The whole kit can fit in a small 75 by 60 by 50 inch box, allowing for easy shipment from one place to another. Here you can see our mechanic finishing his construction of the PCRB by tightening the last few bolts and screws on the universal wrench. Then, with the hydraulic hand-operated valve ratchet mechanism, which is powered by a hydraulic power pack, he tests to see if the machine is working correctly. As you can see here, the mechanic places the adjustable V-chucks that are used to support the barrel and ram. He closes it and then tightens it to the bench. The portable cylinder rebuild kit also comes with a set of tools. These include a rotatable head unit with different fixtures, a barrel holder, a nut-removing hex socket set, spanner plates for larger than 90 and 95 mm nuts, extendable clevis support, and a gland removal set. As for the specs of the machine, it has a torque capacity of 49,759 nanometers at 350 bar, a double-acting cylinder, a 3 horsepower motor, a nut runner torque of 250 nanometers, a nut runner spanner wrench speed of 14 to 100 rpm, and a torque stroke speed of 200 mm per second. It also features a built-in spanner. It can work on cylinders that are up to 1,000 kilograms in weight. As for height, the repaired cylinder can be up to 3,000 millimeters extended with a diameter of 200 millimeters wide. All this whilst taking up a mere 2.8 square meters. Here you can see a picture of the packaging your PCRB will come in. The ability to disassemble it and transport it easily makes for an incredibly practical and innovative product. However, we must stress that this bench is not designed to be a heavy-duty cylinder repair bench. Please visit HEMSLTD.com to learn more, and keep your earth-moving machinery moving.